Welcome everybody. Today we've got the Autobot Blaster, and I actually still have his weaponry. Thermal sticker right there front and center. So sort of see the Autobot symbol, you know. A boombox, obviously a response to Soundwave. Autobots had to have their cassette tapes to sell too. Something I found interesting about this one, the play button stays down, off button stays down, and eject actually does eject. They are, I don't know if it's showing up, but it's, the words are actually molded there underneath. So it's, not obviously not functional, but they are, they work like the real ones would. Well, it actually does have a couple of details on the back. Supposedly an out earphone jack's what that's supposed to represent. Obviously, it's just a circle. I just noticed it's got looks like a hatch here. I've never had it out. I don't know what that. Takara Limited 1974 and 1984. 74 seems old for boomboxes, but it's got the power switch, on-off switch there, and tuning. Oddly, it doesn't have a radio dial to tune. But it does have the tuning inscribed on it. But now on to the transformation. You start off, move that, and that lets you pop his legs around. They blend into the sides. Get his feet out. And I think they're supposed to go back down in, swing the arms out, extend them, extend the fists out. And they spin into place. His weapon ended there. And then his face. That's, I say, very similar to the Soundwave design. Not quite as much wraparound. The legs do, but the arms are a slightly different design. I'm sure I had some of his cassette tape ejectable companions, but I don't remember them. The Decepticon ones did fit in there as well. Let's say no elbows to speak of. Like I said, it's got the spinning wrist there. This is one of those deals where it's sort of funny. I remember as soon as I saw the weapon, I remembered it went with him. I don't know. I couldn't even remember his name, but I remember this went with the boombox. And I'm not sure, honestly, I'm not sure. I guess supposed to put his shoulders in there. That does look a little more natural. But let's say there, turn him sideways so he can fit in the sleeve. But let's say it's just the Autobot response to Soundwave. Have I done Soundwave yet? I can't remember. I may not have. I've got him down there. I'm surprised I didn't do him. I should have already done it, but I didn't. Okay. I'll try and do Soundwave next time I do a Transformers week. If I haven't already done him. I can't remember. I'll have to go back and look. But anyway, that's Blaster. And I'm not sure if it's supposed to leave the arms out or in. I think maybe it looks better in. I think looks more regular. But there he is. Back out so you don't have to worry about it. And cool robot. I liked him. The colors, the transformation was pretty smooth. The boombox looked acceptable. And I'm happy with him. So, thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.